Hi folks, Mike Morgan with Mojo Outdoors. What I want to show you today is our new remote for our Elite Series decoys. This particular decoy is the Mini Mallard Drake. It's got a plug in the front of it. This is kind of a fake USB remote that you take out and put the actual remote in it. It only plugs in one way. It's got a USB port in it. You slide it in, punch it in. It takes about 5 seconds to activate. On the on-off switch, you hit the switch down to the 2 bars at the bottom. That's what the remote does. Wait about 5 seconds. Hit continue and it'll run continuously. If you want to turn it off, you hit off. Intermittent, it runs for about 6 or 7 seconds and it'll turn off. Wait about 4 or 5 seconds and it'll turn itself back on. Then you can turn it off. This particular remote will work with all our Elite Series decoys, so go to a sporting goods retailer near you, look them up. It's a fine new product from Mojo.
Brought to you by the team who forever changed the way you hunt. Mojo Outdoors.